Good morning, students. In my previous video, in my previous videos, I taught you kinds of sentences: assertive or declarative sentence, imperative sentences. Now we are going to learn about interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentence. These are the sentences which ask questions. Okay. These sentences begin with either interrogative words like what, when, how, etc. or with helping verbs like is, was, had, has, etc. and end with a sign of interrogation. Okay. All of you know about the sign of interrogation. Okay. Look at example. Who has broken the glass? What is your name? Was he present in the meeting yesterday? Are you a member of the Eco Club in your school? Had the mechanic repaired the machine in time? How much efficient is the staff of your company? Let's learn in detail. Kinds of interrogative sentences. Kinds of interrogative sentences. We can broadly classify interrogative sentences into these types. Okay. First point, yes or no questions. These expect the listener to answer in an affirmation or negation. Okay. Try to understand by this example. Okay. Example. Did you lock the door when you left? Did you lock the door when you left? You can answer this question yes or no. That's why this is yes or no question. Okay. Look at another example. Did you lose the match? This question also the question of yes or no, because answer of this question is also yes or no. Okay. Second, yes or no question with questions with modal auxiliaries. Depending upon the situation, question may begin with modal auxiliaries to seek permission or advice, to request for information, or To question the necessity of something. I repeat, depending upon the situation, like to request for information, to seek permission, to question the necessity of something. Okay, try to understand by this example. May I leave now? That is seeking permission. May I leave now? Look at other example. Can I sit here? That is also seeking permission. May I leave now? Can I sit here? Okay. Should she? Look at other examples. Should she go to the doctor? That is seeking advice. Should she go to the doctor? Other example, should we take a hasty decision? That is also seeking advice. Seeking advice. Could you tell me the way to the post office? That is requesting information. Could you tell me the way to the post office? Asking information. Other example, that is for questioning necessity. Must I do the homework right now? Questioning necessity. Now the other type of questions, interrogative sentences, that is WH questions. Question. These expects the listener to answer by providing details or specific information. When we ask question for getting information, that is WH questions. For example, which is the shortest route to the post office? Post office. The answer of this question will be in detail. Okay. What is your father name? What is your father name? These are WH questions. Okay. Now other point of kind of interrogative sentences, that is alternative questions. These type of questions require the listener to convey his or her own choice of option when answering. There will be option in this type of question. Okay. Example. Would you like cookies or banana for dessert? There is option in this question. Look at other example. Do you want a bicycle on your birthday? Or night vision binoculars. In this type of question, there will be options. Okay. Would you like cookies or banana for dessert? Do you want a bicycle on your birthday or night vision binoculars? Okay. That is your kinds of interrogative sentences. In your homework, you have to write down about yourself in 150 to 200 words. In your rough copy. Okay.